Shock-absorbing mechanisms. Envision a prosthetic limb that keeps up during high-impact activities while protecting your joints from strain. Shock-absorbing mechanisms make this possible, enabling users to walk, jog, or run with less impact on their bodies. Unlike older models, these advanced designs use springs and hydraulic systems to absorb energy with each step, creating smoother, more comfortable movement. It's like stepping onto a cushioned mat, providing stability. These mechanisms support various activities, from daily tasks to sports. Imagine a prosthetic adapting to your pace, whether strolling or sprinting. High-impact movements become manageable as the prosthetic absorbs shock, empowering users to push their limits. For active individuals, these mechanisms are transformative. They redistribute forces, reducing joint and muscle strain, vital for athletes and those with demanding routines, minimizing fatigue and injury risk. Users gain confidence, moving freely. Beyond physical benefits, these prosthetics uplift users emotionally, enabling participation in social and recreational activities. Imagine feeling secure, knowing each step is supported. This confidence encourages joining hikes, fitness classes, or sports, fostering joy. Looking ahead, shock-absorbing prosthetics are evolving. Engineers are refining these systems to be lighter and more adaptable. Future models may offer real-time feedback to enhance posture and alignment. Each improvement supports users in exploring their limits, making steps safer and more comfortable. This technology isn't just a comfort feature, it's a gateway to a more active life.